Hey, say it again, say it again.
We talking
Hey, what we is? For lifer.
Good morning, y'all. I sound like I just woke up because I literally just woke up. It is 9:21. I work in 2 hours, so let's get this hair done. I've had my hair straightened out for about 2 weeks now, and it's time for me to go back to my favorite texture, which is the curls. So I'm gonna just show y'all the products I'm about to use real quick, and then we're gonna get right into this hair video. So I have the tea tree oil and rosemary shampoo and conditioner. It's the Hask brand. Y'all know y'all can get these at Walmart, Target, CVS, any store, and they cheap. They literally like between $2 to $3. I have Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. This was probably maybe like $4.99. I got some flaxseed eco styler gel for styling. That's probably like $4.99. I really don't know how much that is. Y'all natural girls know y'all just got to buy this stuff. It's like, it don't matter how much it is, you got to pay for it regardless. So, girl. And I got the Afro-G protein treatment. Well, I also use these tangle-free brushes. I get these out of TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross. They be like $2. So, I'm going to shampoo my hair. Then I'm going to put in the, let's see, the protein treatment. Leave it in until it gets hard. I'm gonna rinse it out, moisturize, rinse this out after 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna condition, and then I'm good to style my hair. So let's get into it. You got to leave the treatment in until your hair gets hard. That means the treatment now went into the hair. So I'm gonna just clip it out my face. And I'm gonna listen to my Calm app, guys. Oh yes.
Oh, Tika, you good?
Y'all, I started this at like 9 something. It's 10:30. I work in an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this braid out, y'all, for real. I'm gonna move fast. What you see me doing is detangling my hair and putting it into 4 sections. After I divide my hair, I then go ahead and put in my leave-in conditioner, detangle it some more, and then I start my braids. And I just do that around my whole head. Y'all, I have finished my braids. I used to have to put perm rods at the end, but I don't have to do that anymore. We are back in business. So these are my braids. Hope the camera not down too far. But so y'all, this is how my braid out looks. I better not have another I got another braid. 1 second. So boom. This is my braid out. Y'all can see flowy. My hair smells great. It's bouncy, you know. It's giving. Like, is it not?
2 days later.